Same thing, D major to A major. Note that hi-hat. Let's try to work our way up to 16th notes if we can. We're moving. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Hold up, 2, 3, 4, down to A major. Half notes, all two half notes. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to switch over to quarter notes next time through. Okay, here come quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. The eighth notes are going to be and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. How about 16ths? We're matching that hi-hat now. Piano, piano, piano. One piano, two piano, three piano, four piano, one piano, two piano, three piano, four piano. That sounds like something. Yeah.